This year, we threw out an invitation.
Hello, are you building an open source project? Do you want to tell more people about it?
And you delivered.
My name is Olabode, and this is my Zero Submerge story.
I'm Elio, and I'm the creator of Demo Time.
My name is Daniel Rowe, and I lead the Nux team.
From around the world, projects of every size, every shape, every ambition answered the call. Developers showed us how they turned ideas into impact.
Copilot Coding Agent mostly completed new tasks, opening the door for new contributors to join in and finish that last 20%.
In the past, if I needed a JavaScript utility, I'd search NPM, and if it didn't exist, I was stuck writing it myself. Now I can tell Copilot to make it for me and eliminate a side quest.
Open source democratizes technology in a way that truly transforms how we work, learn, and solve global challenges.
Each submission was a glimpse into the future of open source. And out of all those incredible stories, one project rose to the top, one team that's about to take the GitHub Universe stage and share their story with the world.
OHC stands for Open Healthcare Network. We are a team of enthusiastic developers and contributors committed to building open technology, especially in the healthcare domain.
The ratio of number of doctors and nurses in India is not comparable to the actual number of people who's required. The more time we are able to save, that's the time they can spend with the patient.
When OHC came in, suddenly I realized that the small decision I make, the small issue that I file, now it's impacting millions.
This healthcare transformation created a very significant positive impact to every citizen of India.
Please welcome Bodhish Thomas and Jijin Chandy George.
Namaste, Universe. We are honored to be here with you. You've just seen the world we operate in, where a pull request or an issue transforms how millions of people access healthcare every day in India. Our story started with a simple question: how can we help hospitals deliver care more efficiently?
We started as a small team, but open source helped us scale fast. And I'm proud to share that today, Open Healthcare Network has crossed 1,000 contributors, 10,000 commits, and we've grown from 200 to 1,400 hospitals across India. And that's all thanks to open source. Can we get a big round of applause for the open source community?
But healthcare isn't just about code. It's about trust, reliability, and human lives. It's about people behind every change: the doctors, nurses, engineers, students, all working together, raising issues, writing code, and building what people actually need.
And with GitHub, we've been able to do a lot faster. Issues and discussions have connected us directly to clinicians across India. Many we've never even met in person. Copilot is our amplifier. It extends the capabilities built by our community while enabling the community to innovate even faster on top of that foundation. But enough talk, let's give you a real example.
We've always been working on shipping new features to continue to improve our app, Care. It's a platform for hospitals to track and manage patient care. Care is currently deployed across 10 Indian states, directly impacting millions of people in those geographies. One of the requirements we got was an issue where hospital staff and administrators needed a clear way to manage their most valuable asset, available beds. To address this, we needed a cleaner way to monitor what is available and what is occupied to efficiently triage admissions.
Our APIs already had this information. We just needed to visualize it. The faster we could build this dashboard, the better. It was a perfect type of task to assign to the coding agent. Copilot got to work in the background, freeing us to focus on other areas of the project. Once Copilot was ready with the PR, it notified us with a summary. We can see that it created a new dashboard component, incorporated it into the existing application.
While Copilot did an incredible amount of work, there is always space for members of our community, like Jacob here, to jump in and comment and give feedback to ensure Copilot builds the right way. In this specific case, Copilot did not use the right React hook. He gave Copilot that feedback through comment on the PR, and it got right to build it.
And since all of this was done in a PR, our automations also ran like our Netlify deploy previews. With the help of Copilot, we were able to implement this feature within a day and deploy it just as fast. In Care, For each facility, now we have a dashboard to understand the availability of beds split between each hospital unit, wing, or ward. This is no exaggeration. Copilot contributed to saving lives and improving patient care. And with each update, we are seeing greater improvements in the PRs Copilot generates, and an even bigger impact for our community.
This is just one example, and we can't wait to see where this takes us next. Thank you to Github and to our amazing community for helping us move faster and make a real difference. And to think, all of this began with a single question, a moment of pure curiosity that's now changing lives of millions of people in India.
Thank you, universe.
Nani, namaskaram.